Hello my YouTube family, I hope everyone is well. In this video we will learn how to convert any image to video with using free website. And at the end of the video, I will tell you a trick by which you can use any paid website for free. So watch the full video. So let's start the video. First of all, open your browser in the search bar, search 𝗙𝗵𝗘𝗘. When your search done, click on the first website. When you click on the website, you will see this type of interface. First of all, log in through your Gmail account. When your login done, click on the Create button. When you click on the Create button, you will see this type of interface. Then click on the Upload button and select your image which you want to convert into video. You will see your image is uploading. Wait for a second. Once your image is uploaded, and then give video prompt in the video prompt section. For example, I give in the prompt section, the boy and the girl is running in the field with joy. And then select video duration. For example, I select 5 seconds, and then click on Generate Video. Now you will see your video is start for generating. In a minute, your video will be ready. My video has been ready. Now we will see our video. Wow, what a good result. Now click on Download button. When you click on Download button, your video will be saved in your system. Now we will drag our video into CapCut for hiding the website watermark. When you add your video into CapCut Zoom, your video the website watermark will be hide like this. Now our video is ready. If you want to export this video, you can export it. I already have the video. Now I will tell you the secret trick, how to generate unlimited videos from this amazing website. This website you can use every paid website free. Again, open your browser in the search bar, search 𝗃𝗵𝗱𝗲𝗲. When your search done, click on the first website. When you click on the website, you will see this type of interface. Wait some seconds. When the loading done, copy the mail. When you copy the mail, open again the 𝗃𝗵𝗃𝗲 website. When the website is open, click on the profile section. Click on profile and then log out the account. And then click on sign up button. And then paste in the first section the copy mail. And then click on send code. The code will send into the temp mail. Check the temp mail tab. Then scroll down a little. Then you will see that the code has sent on the temp mail, and then copy the code. Again, open the 𝗃𝗵𝗃𝗲 and paste the code. And click on continue with email, and then create your password. Now you will see the account has been created and received 300 credits. If you run out of credits, you can use this trick again. So that's today's video. I hope you liked the video. If you like it, give the video a like and subscribe to the channel. If this video gets 300 likes, I will tell you the trick to use the latest version of CapCut for free. If you are new in my YouTube channel, subscribe my YouTube channel. You will notify first and soon my viral AI cat videos. Tutorial are coming. Take care. Bye-bye.